Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be cleaning out under the sink. It was such a mess. Then I'm going to move on to the dishwasher. Look at this disgusting filter, which I will be cleaning. I then also moved on to my oven, which looks absolutely horrendous. Don't ask me why it looks like that, but today we're going to tackle this. And then I also go upstairs and change everyone's bed sheets. So it's just a bit of a deep clean, a bit of a tidy up. So yeah, let's get straight into it and get this house in order. So I'm going to start with cleaning under the sink. So as you would expect, there's just a lot of mess under here, you know, cleaning products, things like that. But everything has just been shoved in there, and sometimes I can't find what I'm looking for. So I'm going to start by emptying out everything and then just having a look at what I've got and see what I need to keep and what I need to get rid of. So the first thing I'm going to start by doing is giving the cupboard a really good wipe down and clean. There was a few spills and stains at the bottom, so I'm going to give everything a nice wipe down so I've got a clean surface to start with. So I'm just sorting through the contents of the cupboard just to see what I need and what I don't. And then obviously I will put anything back that needs to stay, and I'll get rid of anything that needs to go in the bin.
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will.
So as you can see, I've got a pile over there that needs to go in the bin, and then I've got things on this side that need to stay. So let's put them back into the cupboard. So that took me around 5 or 10 minutes, and it already looks so much better. I can see everything now, and hopefully I'll be able to find what I need. Now let's move on to the dishwasher. So I just started by emptying the dishwasher, unloading everything out of there, and then I actually pulled out the bottom rack because I realized that I haven't actually cleaned the filter in a while. So brace yourselves. This is what it looked like. It was so gross. So of course I gave this a wash. I also removed this, which was also really dirty and disgusting. So I gave them both a really good wash before replacing everything back. And then I just reloaded the dishwasher with any dirty dishes in the sink. And now I'm just giving the worktops a general tidy up, just putting a few things away that were just left out.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday.
I'm now moving on to the hob, which is greasy from cooking earlier. So I'm just going to give this a quick wipe down as well. And now I'm moving on to the oven, so I'm starting by removing the racks, and then I wasn't actually sure how to remove the racks on the side, so I got the manual out and I finally figured it out. So I moved them, and as you can see, it just looks disgusting. I don't know why it's this bad. I barely even use the oven. But we're going to go in there and get this clean. So I'm using the Barkeeper's Friend cleaner again. I find that it just gets rid of so many stains and spills, and it just works really well. So that's what I went in with. I then replaced all the racks back into the oven. As you can see, it looks so much better than what it looked like before. And my final task for today was just to go and change everyone's bed sheet. So I'm starting in my bedroom, of course. Then I'm going to move on to my girls' bedrooms. And once I do remove the sheets, I actually like to button them back up. It just helps when they are in the wash and they don't all get tangled up. So that is a tip for you. And I'm going to be ending my video here today, guys. If I carry on, this video is going to be super long. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.